Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C11 2021 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so let's check it and come back to this video with the developer options turned on. So if we are on those options, we have to scroll down a little bit in order to find System UI demo mode. So let's tap, and as you can see here, we've got two different options. So first of all, we can turn on the demo mode without actually showing it, so just tap on the switcher here, and if you'd like to show the demo mode, let's tap on the second switcher. And as you can see on the status bar, we've got some changes. So we've got the default time and date, probably we've got also full Wi-Fi icon, and this is actually how the demo mode works. So if you would like to keep it turned on without showing it, of course just tap on this switcher, and as you can see, everything got back to its normal state, or you can turn it off completely. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Realme C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.